Fiberglass is pound for pound stronger than steel, so it's no surprise that our fiberglass cornice is lightweight but very robust. Also known as FRP or fiberglass reinforced polymer, this cornice material is unrivaled. Each cornice is made up of roughly 40% fiberglass, polyester resin, and marine grade gel coat. Even our large cornices can be easily installed using only manpower. And structural reinforcement, which is needed for heavy materials like concrete, is virtually non-existent, except for the framing needed to secure the cornice to the building. Metal corrodes, concrete erodes, and wood rots, splits, gets infested, and even cracks. Fiberglass cornice is impervious to these elements and will last forever. We consistently replace these inferior materials with our FRP cornice when those materials fail. We are able to provide paintable cornice, which comes with a white marine grade gel coat, or pre-finished cornices that emulate stone, metal, granite, and even wood. We have hundreds of cornices to choose from, and all of our standard designs can be modified. If you prefer a custom design, we specialize in that. In fact, every cornice we have was at some point envisioned by an architect or designer. Since we make all of our molds in-house, customization is fairly inexpensive. We have even replicated historic cornice profiles from old photos. The majority of our cornices span 8 feet, and each cornice comes with an integrated lap flange, which allows one cornice to install seamlessly into the next. We can make inside and outside corners as well as custom corners and even radiuses. We have done thousands of projects all over the world, and our reputation precedes itself. We have been manufacturing American-made architectural products for nearly 30 years. Our attention to detail and adherence to architectural guidelines is unrivaled. Our products have been thoroughly tested by third-party engineers and exceed industry standards for durability and strength. We have fast lead times and very affordable pricing. If you are looking for a cornice that will last for generations, look no further than Royal Corinthian. We look forward to working with you and helping you bring your vision to life. We have many more videos about our architectural products, so please subscribe and have a blessed day.